Hello. This is the third video explaining about the Entersoft OuroCash system for financial control. And in this video, you will learn how to insert the logo and the information of your company that will be printed in the reports, how to register the list of banks existing in your country, and how to set up your bank accounts in the system. If you do not have Entersoft OuroCash yet, remember you can try the system for free, without commitment. Do the download in www.entersofty.com.br/n/OuroCash.
Let's go. Inserting your logo into reports. Entersoft OuroCash allows you to configure the header of your reports with an illustrative image, where you can display your logo, your company name, address, or any other desired information. To insert this image, click the Settings menu, then Insert My Logo option. Then click the Insert Image button and select the desired file. Remember that the file must be JPG type, with a resolution of 660 by 150 pixels. In this way, when printing any report in the system, your logo and your company information will be displayed in the document header.
How to set up the bank list existing in your country. Entersoft OuroCash already accompanies a list of banks in Brazil. However, if you are in another country, you can modify this list of banks by following these instructions. From the main system screen, click the Accounts and Cards option. Then click the F9, List of Banks option. You will see this message, informing you that the list of banks will open in Notepad. Click and OK button. Then delete the incorrect banks, insert the existing banks in your country, and then save the file. You can now close Notepad because your list is already fixed.
Registering your bank accounts. In order to organize your finances with Entersoft OuroCash, you must register all the bank accounts that you have in the system. This is necessary because with each financial transaction, the system will record in which account the transaction occurred, and keep updated the current balance of each account. On the main screen, click the Accounts and Cards icon. By accessing this module for the first time, you will see that an account called Wallet already exists. This wallet account is responsible for managing all your cash transactions. However, it is necessary to adjust the current balance of your wallet account with the amount you have in hand now, the moment you start using the system. We start with this step.
How to adjust the opening balance of your wallet account. Do a search on your wallet in real life, and see how much cash you now own, and write down this amount. Then click the F5, Change the Selected Account button. You will be warned that the wallet account cannot be modified. Click Yes to set up your starting balance. Fill in the starting balance field with the cash amount you have on hand, and click the Save button. That done, your wallet account is now ready to be used. Let's go to the next step.
How to register other bank accounts. Click on the button F2, Register New Account. On the next screen, you can fill out useful information about the account in question. Not all fields are mandatory, but some information is required, such as account name, initial deposit, account opening date, and the amount charged by the bank for each issued invoice. The account name is the name that you will use to identify and locate this account during the recording of your financial transactions. Initial deposit is the current balance of the account, at this moment, in which we are registering the account in the system. And in this field, enter the amount that your bank deducts for each invoice settled. The system will record the discount of these fees automatically, whenever you receive some amount through invoices. If no amount is charged by the bank, fill in the field with 0 value.
When you have finished filling in the fields, click the Save button, and repeat this same process for each bank account that you own. Note also the other options of this module. We have F2, Add New Account. This option allows you to register new bank accounts. F3, Delete the selected account. Allows you to delete the selected account in the grid, to the right of the screen. F5, Change the selected account. Allows you to change the information of the selected account in the grid. F6, Account Balance. Allows you to check the current balance of the bank account selected in the grid, on the right of the screen.
F7, Consolidated Balance. Shows the current balance of all bank accounts at the same time. F8, Print bank statements. It allows you to print extracts from the selected bank account within a specific period. F9, List of banks. It allows you to edit the list of existing banks in your country, as we have seen previously. F10, Credit cards. Access the module where you can register your credit cards, and check the invoices of each card. And F11, Transfers, which allows you to manage funds transfers between bank accounts.
In the next video, we will explain how to register your internal use credit cards, how to configure the card banners that your company accepts as a form of receipt, and the rates charged by each card company. Help us also in the divulgation of Entersoft OuroCash. Share this video with your friends and on your social networks. They may be in search of exactly a tool like this. By clicking the like button, you also help us namely whether we are on the right path, and helps YouTube to know that this content has something of value to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to send your message to email@entersofty.com.br. Entersoft, developing solutions.